The all-new G80 brings all the existing strengths from the previous generations, all the while upgrading the powertrain, platform and communication system with the state-of-the-art technologies. It is a true, authentic Genesis. There are 4 facets I would like to talk about this G80: space, technology, safety and driving performance. For drivers, it is always a good option to have an open view all around. Despite being a sedan, the new G80 offers a more expanded front and side view, what we call panoramic view, by slimming down the upper and lower parts that lie under the driver's side. Another thing I would like to talk about is the seats. Let us have a look at the rear seats first. The rear seats offer enhanced comfort and luxury with much secured spaciousness, ensuring your loved ones to enjoy a comfortable ride. Now back to the front seats. The G80's ergonomically designed motion seat marks the utmost innovation in technology. The 7 air cells in the driver's seat relieve stress from driving, making even the longest distance drives much more of a pleasant journey. Wouldn't you like to experience it yourself? The double filter active air purification monitors air pollution levels inside the car on a real-time basis to eliminate fine dust particles. It protects and ensures a clean interior atmosphere so that everyone can feel safe and fresh inside. G80 goes a step further to promote quality lifestyle of all passengers. Everyone has different tastes of music, and surely we all have that moment on the drive when you really do not fancy the music that your friend or your family member turned on and rather feel like listening or watching something else. With remote smart parking assist, parking is now more elegant and convenient with just a press on your smart key. This is convenience at another level. Likewise, the new technologies embedded into the new G80 will not only bring you the best convenience, but also open up a whole new world of experience. We developed next-generation sensor fusion technology just for the G80. This is definitely one of our huge steps forward in offering top-class safety. The car will not only protect you from accidents, but also prevent them from happening in the first place. G80's front corner radar and omnidirectional sensor detects risky situations such as vehicles approaching from ahead or those changing lanes from behind. G80 will automatically engage its brakes to prevent collision.